Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your iPhone. First, it's crucial to understand your cellular data plan, including its monthly allowance and any potential overage charges. Regularly monitor your data usage directly through your iPhone settings to stay informed and prevent unexpected bills. Always prioritize connecting to Wi-Fi networks whenever they are available, as this is the most effective way to conserve your valuable cellular data and ensure you don't exceed your plan's limits. This proactive approach will help you manage your data efficiently. To optimize your cellular data usage, begin by identifying and disabling cellular data access for applications that consume a significant amount of data in the background, such as social media or streaming services. Next, activate low data mode in your settings. This feature automatically reduces data consumption across various apps and services. Furthermore, make it a habit to download large files, like music albums or video episodes, exclusively when connected to a Wi-Fi network, ensuring they are available for offline enjoyment without using your cellular allowance. Managing data-intensive applications is key to conserving your cellular allowance. For streaming video and music apps, adjust the quality settings to a lower resolution when using cellular data, which significantly reduces consumption. Crucially, disable automatic downloads and updates for all applications and media content, ensuring these processes only occur over Wi-Fi. Additionally, restrict background app refresh to Wi-Fi only, or completely disable it for non-essential applications, preventing them from consuming data when you're not actively using them. For advanced data saving, leverage Safari's Reader View when browsing articles. This loads web pages without unnecessary images and advertisements, saving considerable data. Before sharing photos or videos via cellular, consider compressing them to reduce their file size. Finally, explore using a data-saving web browser or a virtual private network, often referred to as a VPN, that offers built-in traffic compression. These tools can significantly minimize the amount of data your iPhone uses throughout your day, extending your plan's value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.